I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on to the Weather Now link. Quick update as of about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's been cloudy and cool, breezy most of the day. We do anticipate some scattered showers and thunderstorms during the evening hours. We're tracking them on a Doppler radar. Let's head outside, and you can take a look at these are pictures from, of course, Newport Easton's beach. Well, for one, you see the sea breeze by the direction of the flag, the wind coming in off the water, so the coastline's cooler. Haven't seen much rain yet, but we do anticipate some scattered showers and even some rumbles of thunder. First of all, high temps today. As expected, cooler, the extra clouds, the wind off the water, 58 the high today in Newport. That's it. Looking at 64 for the high in Providence. So what we're keeping an eye on, we'll keep the threat tracker elevated a little bit. I'm not anticipating anything really extreme or real severe, but just kind of, some thunderstorms could be strong. So scattered showers and embedded thunderstorm sometime between 6 p.m. and 11 o'clock this evening. We're not forecasting nonstop rain for that entire 4 or 5 hour period, but rather that's the window of opportunity to get a passing shower or thunderstorm where you're located. Friday and Saturday, all looking good at this point with dry weather both days. Take a look at the satellite and radar composite, and you can see actually there's you see Windsor Locks on the upper left-hand side of your screen here. That's a thunderstorm near Springfield. That's actually going to head up into Worcester, and again we're taping this as of 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Let me widen out the view, and you can see the activity off to our west. So this is approaching. This is on the Mass Pike right now, approaching Worcester County, and then getting to the Boston area around 5:30. And there's more activity off to our south and west. So what we have is a cold front. You can widen the view even more. Actually, both a warm front and a cold front attached to an area of low pressure. It's right there, upper Great Lakes. So quite simply, the warm front responsible for a couple of showers or a thunderstorm this evening, and the cold front later in the evening will give us another chance for a scattered shower or thunderstorm. So both fronts are sort of like kind of triggers or mechanisms to set off some scattered showers. Now on the back side of this, it does dry out. So what we anticipate come Friday is a windy, drier day. In the meantime, the severe storm outlook for today, it's highlighted in yellow, and you can clearly see it's really towards the Hudson Valley of New York, this area right in here, the highest chance, even towards Philly and Washington, D.C. In fact, there was a tornado warning here not too long ago. So this area has the highest chance of severe weather next several hours. And then as you cross into towards the Connecticut River Valley, the chances diminish somewhat. So we're not in this high risk of severe weather, but I do think that there's the possibility that a couple of thunderstorms could be on the strong side. This is how the scale works from the Severe Storms Prediction Center. There's several categories: general, non-severe thunderstorms. Then the risk of severe goes marginal, slight, enhanced, moderate, and high. So you can see a slightly elevated risk off to our west in upstate New York and Pennsylvania. It's getting real close. We'll walk you through this hour by hour. Starting off this evening, and you can see here we are, 8, 9 o'clock in the evening. Some scattered showers, maybe the rumble of thunder, and then you see this is around 11 o'clock midnight. This narrow line, excuse me, still have this cold. This narrow line is the cold front coming through. So these little blips of yellow, a little downpour, maybe the rumble of thunder, maybe a strong thunderstorm. Watch how fast it pulls offshore. By 2 o'clock in the morning, it's offshore. Things are drying out. Here we are at 8 a.m., cloud-sun mix, breezy, mid-60s. I don't think it's a deep blue sky, but rather a kind of intervals of clouds and sun Friday afternoon. But temperatures, not bad, in the lower 70s. Friday afternoon, partly sunny, breezy. And your Friday evening, Friday night is looking okay as well. So for this evening, a scattered shower or thunderstorm. Keep an eye to the sky. And then on Friday morning, a mix of clouds and sun. Kind of a gusty breeze starting off in the 50s, and then it's more of a cloud-sun mixture on a Friday with temperatures in the lower 70s. So in the short term, keep an eye to the sky for the early evening hours for a possible shower or thunderstorm. I'm looking at data now on the holiday weekend, which for the most part is looking okay. I think the best chance of any rain over the holiday weekend would be Saturday night, not so much Saturday day. So, good news there. But check back with me this evening at 5 o'clock on Eyewitness News for the latest forecast, then again tonight at 10 and 11. So that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in, and we'll talk to you soon.